With random roadside parking in Shillong worsening traffic congestion, Shillong Cantonment Board CEO Ayush Maurya has assured strict action against unauthorized parking in the cantonment area and parking zones. He warned that penalties would be imposed on violators, particularly those charging more than the prescribed amount or parking in unauthorized locations. He emphasized that penalties would be imposed for violations and assured routine checks to enforce contract terms. While the state government is working on traffic solutions, there is currently no proposal for new parking spaces in the cantonment area. Maurya reiterated that multiple stakeholders must be consulted before granting land for parking and warned that any breach of contract would result in fines.
Yes, so there are definitely the contract rules are there while giving out land on agreement on parking tenders. There are certain rules being laid down whether they can lay down the both side parking or not. Certain areas are permitted for both side parking where the space is adequate. So as and when any case comes up where they are charging high amount of high amount than prescribed and which has been decided in the contract, if they are charging more amount and also the illegal parking of places where they are not authorized to collect parking, we will definitely impose penalty against them, and this will be dealt very very seriously. If any case comes up to my notice or our office notice, we will definitely take notice of it.
Are you going to have any parking space like proper official parking space like state government is creating multiple parking spaces?
See, as of now, there is no such proposal. State governments definitely this issue of traffic congestion is a big one in Shillong, as we all know. So, state government is trying to have proper designated parking spots. Uh, as of now, there is no active consideration inside cantonment area. But as and when requests come from state government, we will consider it. It has to be dealt with. There are multiple stakeholders. The Defence Officer, Guwahati Circle, DO Circle is there, Army is involved. So every stakeholder needs to take into consideration before giving any land on parking.
So we can say that you have given a strict warning to any unauthorized illegal parking.
Yes, we have. In fact, last time we have issued fine also, not to these contractors, the previous contractors who have violated our terms and conditions of parking, and these fresh contractors have also been strictly warned. And if they violate any law, any terms and condition of our contract, they will be fined.
And those vehicles parking both sides of the road, just just on the road because roads are very narrow here.
You are talking about which place?
I'm talking about this Chalupara areas and all.
Jalupara area, particularly in taxi stand point you are
Not
talking about?
exactly Texas, and we have seen that there are a lot of areas. That building yeah, these places are, in fact, a lot of people are parking in not proper way. So, any strict warning to them.
We have already issued warning to all the these parking contractors, and if any case found in our notice, if any complaints comes up, and in fact we will have our own routine checks. We will issue them as per the contract terms and agreement.